We're gonna do a video today for real life, and it's gonna be so much fun. And we're gonna send it to Nana, Pops, and Jesse, and Nick, and Gigi, and Papa.
Winter Storm 2026. Let's see if we can survive. We're prepared. Glaza's been studying. We've protected all of the spigots, prepped the house, followed all the news channels, and we're expecting at least a couple inches of ice, possibly losing power for 2 days or more. Are we gonna be ready for the storm, Izzy?
Yeah, I'm ready. La.
We got all the stuff we need, right, Maddie?
It was from Nana. She gave me this black shoes for Christmas.
You like them? We're going to get D batteries because we need them for the fireplace.
D batteries.
D batteries.
D.
Because we forgot them, but luckily we have a neighbor who has them. We got the D batteries.
Ooh.
So I told Izzy to save the flashlight power. She doesn't really want to listen to that, does she? Are you ready for the storm?
Yeah, I'm ready. Actually not.
Are you expecting snow or ice?
No, any ice.
Day of the winter storm. I'm the first one to wake up, which is unusual. Usually Adam is the first one to wake up. But the ground is completely covered with ice.
So cool.
It's so beautiful.
It's all ice, Maddie.
It's so cool.
Oh, it's
so cool slime. We're gonna climb.
Yes, I'm so stressed watching him.
What's he doing? Is he gonna make it?
Mm-hmm.
Are you worried, Maddie?
I mean, he's gonna make it, right?
We're gonna be a dinosaur. Have a look to. I'm Anna. I'm Homer. I'm Anna.
I'm literally looking up at the building trying to track them.
He's a real life Spider-Man.
Go, Alex, go! Come on, Alex, go! Spider-Man! That's the real Spider-Man.
Look at you.
Did he?
It's not even Spider-Man.
It's cold. It's really cold. It's really cold, Izzy. Presenting Queen Elsa of Arendelle.
Oh my goodness.
Ah, yeah. So the dress that she was wearing.
Whoa, there's footprints.
Why don't we have power back?
Update on the snowstorm. We're surviving.
There's so something coming late afternoon.
Watching some football. The girls are watching their tablets. You ready for the snow?
Yeah.
Bring it on. Update. It is now precipitating. What's your pizza? Is it snowing?
Look, that's me.
Raining. Yeah, you're right.
You turned the cannon. You turned it. You see I'm going to do this. And that's real. And that's real.
And go. If you have go on your bingo board, you can put a chip down.
I win bingo! Yay! Bingo! Hey guys.
Flick! Flick!
How are you? Dun dun dun. I feel so this hard. Dun dun dun. We go. my gosh, ice. Oh, so sparkly. Ah, it's cold.
So we never lost power.
Who else have lost power?
Some people lost power, but not us. We never lost power. We never had anything bad happen
Dad,
besides
Dad,
a little bit of ice. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
I love you.
I love you too.
Please subscribe and like. I hope you loved the video, and I hope you love my party. Goodbye. I love you.